Welcome to Educare Northeast. So, already IGNOU B.Ed Entrance Exam is over, right? So, today we will discuss the question and all the solutions related to these questions, right? तो हम जो questions आए थे उसका solution करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो क्या था पार्ट 1 में जनरल इंग्लिश कम्प्रहेंशन. So this was the paragraph or this was the comprehension pages. The question was, you can see here, the first question was, why does the another say that the ocean move like? Because actually this may be, I think, author, this should be author. Why does the author says that the ocean move live? Because here the exact answer will be option 2. They move heat and transport food and nutrients for species. This is exact and 100% accurate answer, option 2. And now come to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 says that the author says that the ocean is the conveyor belt. Here conveyor belt is used. The conveyor belt का मतलब क्या है इसमें? So this is simply mean metaphor and nothing. No simile, no paradox, no illusion. Right? This is metaphor only. Option 1 is 100% correct answer. Please note it. Next, question 3 में क्या बोला? Question 3. Now, as Antarctica begins, right? Read this question. I just say the answer. The proper answer will be question option 4, right? Likewise, for question 4, the appropriate answer will be fresh water on the ocean, right? And next, question 5, the atmosphere circulate air. Here circulate is a transitive verb, right? Because it is showing the act of presence, right? So option 3 will be the correct answer. Next, for question 6, the proper answer will be option 3, the Antarctic multi-decadal oscillation, El Nino in the Pacific, monsoon in Asia, and Arctic oscillation, right? This will be the appropriate answer, option 3. Please आप लोग अपना क्वेश्चन जो मार्क किया था उसके बेसिस पर नोट कर लीजिए. Okay. Next, we move forward to logical and analytical reasoning section 2. Trees is related to forest, so grass is related to lawn. Option A, option 1 will be the correct answer. Newspaper related to press and cloth related to mill. Option 4 will be the correct answer. And this is a series, and in this series the appropriate answer will be option 4, 21. Again we have a series and the appropriate answer will be 33. Just move the option. Now we are not analyzing the fact, just we are noting the answers or the number only. Next, question 15, the appropriate answer will be VIZ, option 3, which does not belong to the others. So here is tire, gear and engine, all are related to car, so option 4 will be the correct answer, option 4, right? Come to the next. Here Golgi means kidney, right? For question 17, the appropriate answer will be was Bako, option 3. For 18, the appropriate answer will be neither, but I think it will be neither. None answer will be correct here. You can select this. Everybody will get one number for this question. For this question, सब कैंडिडेट ने एक नंबर ये मैंडेटरीली एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे, राइट? सो फॉर 19 द अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन 4. For 20 the appropriate answer will be, wait a second, for appropriate answer will be option 3, right? Next, question 21. For question 21 the appropriate answer will be 81 years, option 1. For 22 answer will be 4 further. For 23 answer will be option 2 X. For 24 question option will be crop. For 25 answer will be pages, option 2. For 26 to question answer will be OZSMZ, option 2. Likewise for question 7, for question 27 the appropriate answer will be 410. For 28 question answer will be a circle, option 1. For 29 option will be some mammals are not black, option 4. For 30 question option will be student, option 1. Now we move towards section 3, education and general awareness. For 31 answer will be option 2, NEP 2020, option 2. For 32 option will be Mahatma Gandhi, 3. For 33 option will be Zionism, 2. For 34 option will be 2009. For 35 option will be whom, 3. For 36 option will be 1, the NEP 2020. And for 37 the option will be 3, video lesson plan. And for 38 the appropriate answer will be option 3, 1968. For 39 answer will be option 1, National Research Foundation. For 40 it's John Dewey, option 3. For 41 it's National Education Policy 2020, option 3. 42 it is Model MWDLE, option 4. For question 43 option will be both attribution. 44 equality is quantity and equality is quantity and equity is quantitative, right? So 45 the option will be 2. The 46 option will be SDG for 2. The reason for calling off. For 47 question the proper answer will be Saurisura, option 1. Saurisura for option 1. For 48 the appropriate answer will be Lahore, option 2. For 49 it will be Koshi, option 2. 50 question it will be 2014, option 1. For 51, sorry, for this question this answer will be of 2015, option 2. For 51 the appropriate answer will be option 4, municipal corporation. For 52 it will be manganese, option 4. For 53 it will be mean, option 3. For 54 it will be connective approach, option 4. For 55 it will be option 1. 56 the appropriate answer will be misconception, right, option 3. For 57 the appropriate answer will be secondary, option 2. For 58 to modified. For 59 it will be oral answer. For 60 it will be spend time. For 61 it will be a case study. For 62 it is operant conditioning. For 63 it is active participation. For 64 it is discovery instruction. For 65 it is positive feedback. For 66 it is classroom management. For 67 it is preventing misbehavior. For 68 it is analysis. For 69 answer will be 1, age and state. For 70 appropriate answer will be cell, option 2. For 71 option will be option 1. For 72 accurate answer, option 2. For 73 accurate answer, option 3. For 74 accurate answer, option 1. For 75 appropriate answer will be option 3. For 76 circle, option 1. For 77 it is extra vision, option 3. For 78 it is option 1. For 79 it is option 8. For 80 it is option 3. So for 121 social science section answer will be 2, Rabi. Next 122 appropriate answer will be option 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. For 23 appropriate answer will be 4, Buddhist. For 124, the appropriate answer will be option 3. 125, appropriate answer will be option 4. For 126, it will be 24 times. For 127, it is Ganga. Next,